everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for August 23rd, 2022. Zoom lowers forecast as revenue hits record low. Zoom Video Communications Inc. on Monday lowered its full-year earnings and revenue forecast as demand for the video conferencing platform cooled after a pandemic high amid stiff competition from Microsoft Teams and Cisco Webex. Shares of the pandemic favorite fell 7% in extended trading after the company reported record slow quarterly revenue growth of 8% as people shifted to face-to-face meetings instead of virtual conversations. As a result, Chief Financial Officer Kelly Steckelberg told analysts that the company's online business is likely to decline by 7-8% in fiscal 2023. Zoom, founded by a former Cisco executive, was a little-known company when the pandemic hit in early 2020, but its revenue tripled at the peak of the crisis as people stuck at home began using video conferencing to communicate. Now Zoom faces the difficult task of attracting high-paying customers to sustain its growth, and costs are rising as the company spends more dollars to attract customers who are cutting costs in the face of high inflation. Vybe launches social media mining app. Earlier this month, Vybe LLC launched its social media mining app. The app tokenizes likes, or more specifically, the quality of content. It converts the likes and other forms of engagement that users earn on their social media sites into a token called Vybe, and then automatically transfers them to users' cryptocurrency wallets once a day. As Vybe explains on its website, the app links a user's social media sites to an Algorand wallet and converts the engagement into Vybe. Currently, users can mine their likes on Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, and now TikTok. The latter approved the Vybe app last Tuesday and the same day the developers integrated their API. One of Vybe's goals is to become one of the most used apps on Algorand's blockchain, Vybe project manager Arman Kapoor said. Some observers debate whether Vybe will really help content creators better capture and control their content, and wonder how the app can make money in the long run by giving away free Vybes that can be sold immediately on a decentralized exchange. Others, however, were impressed by this innovative concept. Oil goes up on fears of OPEC Plus production cuts. Oil prices are moderately rising Tuesday morning on fears that OPEC Plus may cut production amid high volatility in the oil market. The price of October Brent crude oil futures on Tuesday stands at $97 a barrel, up 0.54% from the previous session's closing price. As a result, on Monday trading, these contracts fell by 24 cents. By that time, the price of WTI futures for October is $90.93 a barrel, up 0.63% from the previous session. By the close of the previous session, WTI had fallen by 54 cents. The day before, the Minister of Energy of Saudi Arabia, Prince Abdulaziz bin Salman, said that high volatility and low liquidity in trading mean that the oil market is increasingly moving away from its fundamentals, and this may force OPEC Plus to take appropriate action. Market participants also continue to monitor negotiations on the Iran nuclear deal. If the negotiations are successful and sanctions are lifted, the country could supply the market with about 2.5 million barrels of oil per day.